The scatter plot shows a relationship between two variables x and y for data set E. A line of best fit is shown. Data set F is created by multiplying the y coordinate of each data point from data set E by 3.9. Which of the following could be an equation of a line of best fit for data set F? Okay, when I go over the answer choices, each equation is in slope-intercept form. Okay, here let's consider the y-intercept of the line of best fit for data set E. So here we have the y-intercept. Okay, here we have 10, 20. I think this point must be 0, 12. So the y-intercept of the line of best fit for data set E is 0, 12. Now to get the y-intercept for the line of best fit for data set F, we have to multiply this y coordinate 12 by 3.9. Okay, so we can keep the x coordinate 0 as it is. When I multiply this y coordinate 12 by 3.9, I am getting 46.8. This is the y-intercept of the line of best fit for dataset F, and the y coordinate over here is 46.8. We find the y coordinate of the y-intercept 46.8 in answer choice A and B. We can reject C and D. Now to conclude whether A is correct or B is correct, we need the slope. Okay, to get the slope of the line of best fit for dataset F, let's select 2 points on the line of best fit for dataset E over here. Already we have a point 0, 12. Let's choose one more point. Okay, let me take the point over here. So approximately the x coordinate is 12 and the y coordinate is 13. Okay, now we can multiply the y coordinate in each point by 3.9 to get the corresponding points of the line of best fit for dataset F. Okay, already we have multiplied this 12 by 3.9, we got 46.8. Okay, now let's multiply the y coordinate of this point by 3.9 to get the point corresponding to dataset F. Okay, so here we can keep this x coordinate 12 as it is. When I multiply this y coordinate 30 by this 3.9, I am getting 117. Here I got the 2 points of a line of best fit for dataset F. Let me take this is x1 and this is y1 and this is x2, y2. Now let's find the slope of a line of best fit for dataset F. The formula is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. So y2 equals to 117 and y1 is 46.8 divided by x2 is 12 and x1 is 0. And we can use Desmos to simplify this one. When I evaluate the value of this one, I am getting 5.85. So the slope of a line of best fit for dataset F is 5.85. Okay, when I go over answer choices A and B, in A we have the slope 5.9, in B we have 1.5. So this slope 5.9 is close to 5.85. So we can reject answer choice B also. So the equation we have in answer choice A is the equation of line of best fit for dataset F. The correct answer choice for this question is A.